Hello, you're welcome. I am Miss Becca, a TRCN certified math educator with over 12 years of teaching experience. Have you ever heard of place value before? Oh, you have. That is good. Place value. So, what do you understand by place value? Oh, the way we place values. Okay, you tried. So now what is place value? That is what we'll be doing in this class. You will understand what place value is, but we will not be exceeding tens and ones. We're not going to hundreds in this class. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the meaning of place value, and you will be able to identify tens and ones in two-digit numbers, and you'll be able to break down numbers into tens and ones. You will be able to identify tens and ones, and then you'll be able to break numbers, given numbers, into tens and ones, and then you'll be able to represent them in blocks or drawing. Now, what is place value? Place value tells us the value of a digit based on its position in a number. Now let's take the number 42 as an example. The 4 in this 42 is in the tens place, while the 2 is in the ones place. So 42 means 4 tens and 2 ones. So that means 4 here is the tens and 2 is the ones. So whenever you see any two-digit number, just know that the one at the right is the ones, and then the one at the left is the tens. So in this for 42 now, that means we have 4 tens and then we have 2 ones. We have 4 in 10 places. We have 10 in 4 places, and then we have 1, 2. And let us use block to explain place value. Look at this now. We have 42. That means we have 10. Just like I said, we have 10 in 4 places. If you count these blocks now, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you count like this, 10, 10, 10, 10 in 4 places, and then these ones are 1, 1. So we have ones in 2 places. So that means we have 40 blocks here plus 2 blocks. That is 42. So that is what makes 42. Now, what is the place value of this one? Of each digit here, we have 36. 36, like I said, the one at the right hand side is the ones, the one at the left is the tens. So we have 3 tens and 6 ones. That means 10 in 3 places and 1 in 6 places. Now, what is the place value of 58 and 70? Do that and tell me what your answer is. Okay, you tried 8 tens and 5 ones, 8 tens and 5 ones. Okay, okay. Let's look at it like this. We have 5 8. So you said 8 tens and 5 ones. That is not correct because you have switched the numbers. 8 tens and 5 ones will give us 85. So for 58, don't forget the one at the right hand side is the ones, while the one at the left hand side is the tens. So this means we have 5 tens and then we have 8 ones. So we'll be having we'll be having 10 in 5 places, and we'll be having 1 in 8 places. So for 70 now, what is the place value? Correct. 7 tens and 0 ones. That is good. That means we have 0 ones and then we have 7 tens. That is good. Now it's game time. Do you like games? Oh, I also love games. So let's play this game. I am thinking of a number with 6 tens and 3 ones. What is the number? Don't forget, ones is by the right and tens is by the left. So this number that I'm thinking of has 6 tens and 3 ones. What is the number? 63. Lovely, lovely. That's so good of you. 63. So the second one, Titus is holding a number with 0 tens and 5 ones. What number is he holding? 50. Oh, that's good. You said 50, you tried. Now let's look at it this way. The question says 0 tens Sorry, the question says 0 tens and 5 ones. Don't forget 0 tens and 5 ones. That means we'll be having 0 5, and 0 5 is the same thing as 5. So the number that Titus is holding is 5. Is holding number 5. And lastly, grandma's age is a number with 8 tens and 0 ones. How old is grandma? 80. Yes, grandma is 80 years old because her age is a number with 8 tens and 0 ones. That is so amazing. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. You did amazingly today. So now let's review what we have learned so far. First, we learned the digits that digits have places. We learned the tens place, and then we learned the ones place. We also learned that we can build numbers using blocks, and we also learned that we can say and write numbers in different ways. We can write 47 as 4 tens and 7 ones, and we can also write it as 40 plus 7, just like we did here, 40 plus 2. So we can write it as 40 plus 7. Thank you so much for being amazing today. I love your energy, and do not forget to keep practicing, because the more you practice, the better you become at maths. Once again, I am Miss Becca, the virtual math tutor.